a PDE from f of x square plus y square comma z minus xy. So this is a given question. So this can be write it as f of u comma v is equal to 0, where u is x square plus y square and v is, according to this, z minus xy. So this is u value and this is v value. Now this is equation number 1. So differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So if you differentiate partial with respect to x and y, I am going to write direct result as, because uv is a function, so it will be dou u by dou x whole divided by dou u by dou y, which is equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. Give equation number 2 for this. So from u and v I will rewrite. So here what is u? U is equal to x square plus y square, and what is v we got here? It is z minus xy. So will this u and v will differentiate partially with respect to x first. So differentiate u and v partially with respect to x. So what happens with respect to x? U, what happens? It will be dou u by dou x is equal to partial derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x plus y square is 0. Similarly, v is dou v by dou x is equal to partial derivative of z, because z is a function, so z with respect to x is dou z by dou x minus, so here xy product is there but y is a constant, keep y as it is, x with respect to x is 1. So on simplification it will be dou u by dou x is equal to 2x, one result, and second result is what here, dou v by dou x is equal to dou z by dou x is p minus 1 into y is y. So this is a result for dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x. Similarly, differentiate u and v partially with respect to y now. So if you differentiate partially with respect to y, what happens to u and v will see. So with respect to y, u will become dou u by dou y is equal to x square will become 0 plus y square will become 2y. Similarly, v will become, and v is dou v by dou y is equal to, z is a function, dou z by dou y minus product rule. So x is a constant and derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So on simplification, so this will become dou u by dou y is equal to 2y, value of dou u by dou y, and value of dou v by dou y is, dou v by dou y is equal to, so dou z by dou y is nothing but q minus x into 1 is x. So these are the, so dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y and dou v by dou y will apply in what here, equation number 2, and we'll see what happens. If you apply those values in equation 2, we'll get dou u by dou x is nothing but 2x and dou u by dou y is 2y according to the result, and dou v by dou x we got p minus y, and dou v by dou x is nothing but q minus x. You cross multiply, so 2 cancels, so on cross multiplication we'll get x into q minus x and y into p minus y. So open the bracket. So if you open the bracket, qx minus x square is equal to py minus y square, or you rearrange it as qx shifted to the left hand side, py shift this minus x to the right hand side, x square minus y square is the required PDE.